I hope all is well. After yesterday's video about the Google search engine, I received a flood of emails from around the world. My assistant Helen has picked out the most important ones, and in this video, I'll be answering those questions. I want to clarify that I'm not affiliated with any SEO bandwagon and any search engine. All these videos and articles I produce are based on my own findings, which I explain further in my books. Let's dive in. As of the latest updates from Google in 2024, the role of backlinks in their search algorithm has indeed evolved. While backlinks have historically been a major factor in determining search rankings, Google's focus has increasingly shifted towards other factors, emphasizing the quality and relevance of content, user experience, and technical SEO. Key updates and shifts in Google's algorithm in 24 are content quality and relevance. You see, user intent is important. Google prioritizes understanding and matching user intent. Content that closely aligns with what users are looking for ranking. They rank higher. Expertise and trustworthiness are another factor, which is called EAT. High quality, authoritative content remains crucial. User experience. After Core Web Vitals update, metrics such as loading performance, interactivity, and visual stability are critical. Mobile friendliness. With mobile-first indexing, a seamless mobile experience is essential. Then another factor is page speed. Faster websites provide a better user experience and are ranked higher. Semantic search and AI. So I explained many times about natural language processing, NLP. Google's use of NLP models like BERT and MUM, MUM, enhances its understanding of content. When Google check entities and contexts, it better understands people, places, things, and their relationships, which improves the relevance of search results. Technical SEO, you see, crawlability and indexability are important because proper site architecture, use of sitemaps, and clean URL structures ensure that search engines can effectively crawl and index content. Implementation of a structured data schema markup helps Google understand and display content more effectively. Click-through rate can signal relevance and improve your ranking. Dwell time is another factor. Longer time spent on a page indicates valuable content. Bounce rate. Lower bounce rates suggest user satisfaction and content relevance. Actually, many SEOs do some tricks in order to, what they do is they go and click at their competitor and click away. Many of you know that I wrote about negative SEO in the past. And negative SEO, I will create a video about negative SEO and how SEOs outrank their competitors' website. So one of the things that they do is they just go and click at the website and they don't stay long and click away. So Google should create an algorithm, just click fraud, in paid search marketing algorithm that competitors click at. So I do believe that Google must implement an algorithm to identify fake clicks on a website. Google My Business optimization is another factor for local searches and optimize and regularly updates. Another factor is on-page SEO keyword optimization. While still relevant, keyword optimization now focuses more on natural language and user intent rather than exact match keywords. Meta tags, for example, will craft a title tag and meta descriptions that accurately describe content, improve user engagement, and CTR. CTR means click-through rate. Then let's talk about backlink. You see, backlinks, there are some YouTubers talked about backlinks are not important, SEO is dead, all these are BS. Of course, SEO is important. Of course, SEO is not dead. Of course, backlinks are important. Don't listen to this crap people post on YouTube and write on their articles. You see, search engine is personalized, which means that whatever you see in your Google search engine, it might not be in my Google search engine because I'm not searching the keywords you are searching. This has created problem because that's not a search engine should be. While backlinks are not as dominant as they once were, they haven't been entirely disregarded. Instead, their role has been refined. A few high-quality, relevant backlinks from authoritative sites are more valuable than numerous low-quality backlinks from content that is contextual, relevant to your website, carry more weight. Natural link profiles like it should happen organically, emphasizes on organically acquired links rather than manipulative link building schemes. Everybody does it. Everybody does it. I don't because I don't care. I'm more focused on my things I'm doing, like filmmaking and stuff like that. So what is Google's perspective here? Google has indicated that while backlinks are becoming less of a focal point, they are still part of the overall ranking ecosystem. The shift reflects a broader trend towards improving the overall quality of search results by focusing more on user experience, content relevance, and technical excellence. So you see, while backlinks remain a factor in Google's algorithm, their importance has diminished compared to other elements like content quality, user experience, and technical SEO. Adapting to these changes means focusing on creating valuable, relevant content and providing an excellent user experience. Google's focus is on Google US. You don't see the same results in Google in other countries. Google talks about content quality is important, but still people manipulate content in local search engines, in local Googles, in Germany, in France, in Italy, Spain, Google Spain, Google Portugal. I do multilingual digital marketing. I am seeing it almost on daily basis. So don't listen to them and do your own testings. You get different results. It's not the same result. Until next time, have a lovely day. Bye.